Created for Alpinestars' MotoGP line, the Jerez leather jacket, like the track itself, represents the heart and soul of the collection. It's made with full grain and perforated leather, with prominent MotoGP and Alpinestars logos, and an aerodynamic hump to finish the progressive look. Comfort features include pre-curved sleeves with Kevlar stretch panels for a natural riding position, flexible leather accordion panels at the waist, a removable thermal liner, and neoprene-lined collar. The jacket comes with Alpinestars CE-approved shoulder and forearm GP protectors, and compartments with PE protection that can be exchanged for Alpinestars RC back protector and bionic chest guards. Size range: 46 to 60 and 46 to 64 in black.